Why do your knuckles make a sound when you crack them? You see, most people think it's your bones snapping together, and that's why it sounds so loud. But that's actually not what's happening at all. So what's really happening? I'll tell you. But if you don't want this happen to you, tap like, hit subscribe, and share this fast. Inside your joints is a slippery fluid called synovial fluid, filled with tiny gases. When you bend or stretch your fingers, it creates pressure that forms small gas bubbles. When those bubbles collapse or dissolve, they produce the familiar cracking sound.